Your arms by your side. Let's take a breath here in mountain pose. Stacking the shoulders, nice and tall. Good posture here. One more breath. Good. On an inhale, we're going to sweep the hands by our side. Exhale, we're going to bend the knees, bring the hands towards the front of our nose. And then open and bring the arms by our side. Inhale. Exhale, we close. And down. Keep moving with your breath. Inhale. Exhale, we close. And open. Allow our breath to guide our movement, to clear our mind. Move at the speed of your own breath. And arm by the sides. Good. We're going to start by shrugging one shoulder up and then the other one. Just like that. Gentle shoulder shrugs. Good. Inhale, we bring our arms up to touch, maybe looking up. Exhale, we're going to twist towards the right. Holding that twist, continuing to breathe. Next breath, arms come up to touch. Exhale, we twist towards the left. One more breath here. And coming back to center. Taking a breath here. Okay, let's do that one more time. Inhale to touch. Exhale, we twist towards the right. Next breath brings us back to center, fingers to touch as we twist towards the left. And bringing our arms by our sides here, taking a breath. Good. Working on the neck, we're going to bring our chin towards our chest. Gently raise it up, looking at the ceiling. Continue to bring your chin towards your chest and raising your gaze. No need to overarch the neck, just gently stretching it upward. Two more of those. Good, bringing our hands behind our neck, bringing our left shoulder down, pointing towards the ground. Other elbow comes up and back to center. Right elbow goes down, left elbow goes up. And back to center, taking a breath here. Let's do that one more time. Left elbow goes down. And coming back to center. Right elbow comes down. And back to center. Good. And we release the arms out by the sides. We can shake it out. Good. Coming towards our chair if you need a chair. If you don't, you don't. Standing nice and tall. Inhale, Sweep our arms up above. Exhale, we fold forward. Hands to feet or thighs. Next breath, half fold or half moon pose. Next breath, we come down to the legs if that's available to you. If not, you can stay where you were. Next breath brings our arms up above and together into prayer hands. Good. Taking a breath here. Okay, let's do that 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale, we dive forward. Next breath, bringing the hands to the thighs, flat back. Next breath, bringing our hands down or our feet, if that's available to you. Bringing our arms overhead and to touch as they gently float down by our chest. Taking a breath here. Good, let's do that once more. Inhale. Exhale, we fold forward. Bringing our hands to our lap, flat back. Folding forward to touch the toes if that's available. Next breath, we sweep the arms up above and bring the hands together into prayer hands. Good, and releasing the hands, shaking it out. Coming back into mountain pose, arms by our side. Inhale, we sweep our arms up to touch. Exhale, we bring our arms to form the letter T, and we bring them towards the right, opening our chest as we twist. Good, coming back to center and lowering the arms. Inhale, we sweep the arms up to touch, bringing the arms by the side, this time twisting towards the left. Holding here, continuing to breathe. And back to center, and we lower the arms. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Next breath, we twist towards the right. And back to center. And we twist left. And back to center. And down. Good. Once more, inhale. Exhale. Twisting right. Back to center. As we twist left. Back to center. And release the arms down. Good job. I'm going to turn it around so that I have the higher end available to me. Lifting the leg and doing circles. Just like that. If you don't need the chair, you don't have to have it. Releasing the hip joint here. 2 more. 1 and 2. Good. Bringing it down, stepping it out. Good. Other side, other leg. Right leg comes up. You can switch the side of the chair if you want to hold on. Rotating. You can feel that rotation right there in your hip joint. 3 more. Here's 3. 2. And 1. Good, and then step it out. Good. Facing your chair, we're going to lift the heels. Inhale, we sweep the arms up, we lift the heels. Exhale, we bring them down. Hands come down to touch the chair or your side. Inhale up, bringing the heels up, holding our balance. Exhale down. 3 more. Here's 2. And 1. Good, taking a breath here. Working on a pyramid flow, bringing our right leg forward or left foot back. Toes are pointing in the same direction. We're going to bring our hands to the back as we gently hinge forward. Now, option to have just one hand behind and come to touch the chair, and then release it as you come back to center and straighten out the back. Three more. Here's 2. And 1. Good. Stepping forward, releasing the hands from the back, switching legs. Straightening out both knees, hands again to back. Inhale. Exhale, we come back. Folding as much as feels comfortable. Two more. Good. Stepping forward, bringing both legs together. Hands by your side, releasing them here for a moment. Coming back to pyramid pose. Right leg in front, straightening out the right leg. We bring our right hand to touch the chair. We're down by our leg as we lift our left hand up above. Hold here for 3, 2, and 1. Bringing that arm down as you straighten out your arm. Stepping forward, switching legs, opposite leg. Again, we hinge forward. This time, lowering the left hand to either the chair or the leg and lifting the right arm nice and tall. Holding there. 3, 2, and 1. Lowering the hand as we bring ourselves back up. Stepping forward. Good. Now lifting one arm up. Bringing that one down, lifting the opposite. Good. 2 more of those and lift. 1 more. Good. So bringing our hands into prayer hands, we bend the knees as if we're sitting into a chair, and we're extending the arms out in front. So not at nose level, but higher than that, not completely overhead either. So right about there. Good. Let's hold for 3, 2, and 1. Bringing the arms down, straightening out the knees. Beautiful. So that 2 more times, sitting in, bringing the arms up. 3, 2, and 1. Lowering the hands. Once more. Holding for 3, 2, and 1. Bringing the arms down by the sides. Nice. Now if you have a strap or a belt or even a towel, go ahead and grab that. We're going to use it. I'm going to start by going back into that chair pose. So I just folded it in half. Again, I'm sitting down into my knees, bringing my arms up above, holding it out in front. Good. This time I'm going to lower it about chest level and And I'm going to rotate to the right and back to center. And then I'm going to rotate to the left and center. And then I'm going to straighten out the back. Good. Take a breath here. Let's do that again. Lift up into chair. Bring it down. And then we twist to the right and center, left and center, and we straighten out. Good. Let's do that one more time. Bring it up and out in front. We rotate towards the right and center and left and center and straighten out the legs. Good job. Now let's do that again. This time when we sink in, we're going to rotate towards one side. We're going to hold that side right there for 3, 2, and 1. Coming back to center and straightening out the arms and the legs. Let's do that with the other side. Chair pose. Bring it out in front. Twist. Holding here. 3, 2, and 1. Straightening out the knees and releasing the arms. Good. Open and close the hands. Relax them here for a moment. Now next pose we're going to work on cow face arms. So we're going to open the strap and bring it behind us, having one hand on top, one hand on the bottom. Now this is a great pose for posture. As we age, we tend to sink in. Stress also brings us down towards the front, and this is a good way to realign our spine and help it be healthier. Good. So a gentle tug on the bottom so that it's taut behind us, just like that. Good. Let's hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently release. Good. Shrug your shoulders up and back. Good. Let's come to the other side. Opposite shoulder. Opposite hand on the bottom. Gentle tuck so that your gaze is looking straight out in front. You're not looking up or down at your shoes. You're looking straight out. Good. Let's hold there. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Gently release it. And lower it down. Make circles with the wrist. Nice and gentle movements in the other direction. Good. Open and close the fingers. Good. Bringing our hands together. We say namaste. Thank you for joining me.